I have my test line connected. I'm going to show you how to initiate the BiPAP. You first start by turning it on, and then it'll come up with the mask and the bacteria outlet. So you just want to make sure that you match what mask you're using. We're using the lung for now, but we do have these already dialed into the Respironic mask that we use, and we also use the Respironics disposable exhalation port attached to the mask, which is that piece right there. So we accept those. We can reset our alarms, and then we always have these preset when we turn equipment over, so that the patient coming in, it's usually on 100%. I just have it so I'm not draining our tank here for education purposes. But so if we wanted to, we could increase the rate for the patient to be a set rate of 12. Excuse me. And then it's saying low minute ventilation. It's because I have the test line on, but we can go to our settings and we can always adjust our alarms as needed. I just have it down at 5 because we have the test line on, but that's for our purposes of using the test line for now. So we can change that, and then changing our IPAP is going to change our inspiratory pressure, and then our EPAP is going to be our pressure support, our PEEP, so what keeps the test line open. So here we can have like 14 over 6, and we can see the rate at a 12. It shows our rate, our tidal volume, our minute ventilation, our patient trigger obviously is 0, it's a test lung, but this is how we would use it. And so I have this lung, but I'm also going to show you what happens if I use a floppy lung. So I'm going to just silence the alarms real quick because it's going to chirp at us. I'm going to switch out the lights. So now I put this test on, and this is a floppy lung, low compliance, or COPD patients. So we need to find our sweet spot because this rate is insane. So we need to make sure that we have a good pressure, and we can always go keep our rate at 12, find that sweet spot to keep our floppy lungs happy. So here we're getting a rate of 14. Our tidal volume is at 218, and then we can adjust our alarms as needed here. We want our high rate. We don't want them going over there. We don't want them below 12. We don't want our volumes a ton. We don't want too low a volume. Let us know. We can adjust accordingly.